You should know I'm a Bahamian from the Bahamas. It's the place you vacation. Slime domino.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Queen Nisha. Today is Vlogtober day 2. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, turn your post notification to know when I'm posting, to be a part of my royal squad. And if you're old, welcome back to day 2. Day 2. So, day 1 was yesterday. Went to Costco. If you have not, the link is above or in the description or at the end of the video. I'm gonna do a playlist with Vlogtober. So yeah. Today I'm not going anywhere. Technically, yeah. Well, for one thing, but it's not like that. So I'm making a cheesecake. I would do a tutorial, but I don't have a proper tripod stand to do a tutorial. So y'all gonna just watch me. I'm gonna just cut some videos in. So I already been to the food store, but I did just wake up and I didn't look sensible. And I still looked sleepy. I think I still look sleepy. But being a say nothing. So what we're gonna do, I look rough. So yeah. I'm going to go make my cheesecake. I'm just going to play the clip of me in the food store now. Because I was dead sleepy. And I was like a couple minutes ago. I already had my tea and everything to wake me up. So stay tuned. Number 2.
Dylan got it bumping.
At this point, I realized I did not get the cheesecake crust, and I didn't know what I was making at this point. So yeah. First off, you need egg, cream cheese, crust, vanilla. This is vanilla. See, we're gonna get this all started. This is basically what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna show you little clips of me baking it. So yeah, stay tuned with them. Okay, so everything is already mixed. Yeah, so like I said, I can't like show you it like how I made it because I do not have a proper tripod stand to record all of this, but yeah. It's all mixed. My eggs, cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla extract. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, so basically this is done. What I need to do is put it in the baker. And leave that in for 30 minutes at 300. So it's time to put the cherries on the cheesecake. So there's a TikTok video. There's a TikTok video going around where you put this piece here, right there, and you do it and it opens. And it opens like that. So I'm about to open it off the camera to show you guys. Okay, so this is the top and it opens. But yeah, that's how it opens when it's like this. Hey guys, so I'm back. I got lunch. I got Burger King and I finished the cheesecake. You saw that. I ran out to pick up the kids with my mommy and my sister, and my sister said she had some coupons. So we went to Burger King and got some food. I got nuggets and fries. And I saw these little things. Katie Bites. Craft dinner bites, and I wanted to try them. It was 6 for $2, so I got 6. So we're gonna see how these is. It's like craft in them. So I'm gonna try them. They look good, so I'm gonna try. It tastes good. It tastes like it tastes like when you're eating craft dinner and you eating like breaded chicken or something with it. That's how it tastes.
Two hours later.
I must say, it's a lot of chewing. But these taste good. They just taste like craft dinner. You mix your craft dinner with chicken. That's all it tastes like. If I would do these get 10 out of 10 because they're tasty and they're crunchy. There's a lot of chewing, but they taste good. Okay. So, my cheesy Katie craft dinner bites from BK was smack lacking. Okay, we are going back to the food store now. I'm not recording anything because I don't feel like I should record it because I already been there today. But yeah, I'm going back to the food store now. I don't know why. But yeah, today's shout out is to Life with the Hearts family. Like, go ahead and hit subscribe to their channel. I'll leave the link in the description below. Because I shouted them out because every time they watch one of my videos, the first thing they talk about is my intro and how lit the song is. So, kudos to you. I mean, kudos to all of us. But kudos to you guys. Thanks for watching and supporting. So, until we meet again tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, Saturday. Tomorrow's Club Nisha. I gotta find out for Club Nisha tomorrow. Let me know down below in the comments who y'all want to hear tomorrow, or what y'all want to hear, I guess. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, so do that. I'll potentially look at it tonight and plan out what I finna do. So, until we meet again tomorrow at Club Nisha. Peace.